The first one is enhance the coverage area. Back to 2020, there were pandemic because of COVID-19 and government introduced a MCO, means people must follow the new normal and stay at home. At this point, the demand of internet is high and this company take the opportunity to enhance their coverage area and make a profit. Next is offer the best package. Telekom Malaysia Berhad supply the best package for their customer, such as they give a promotion on modem and free of charge for their wiring the modem. Also, they have been make a new package which is 97 ringgit per month with 300 Mbps. Next is price. Price can influence consumer to affect the supply and demand. When consumers' income increase, they will buy something to fulfill their desire and satisfaction. For example, if price increase, the demand will decrease, and if price decrease, the demand will increase. The last one is price of related goods. It's divided to two parts, which is substitute goods and complement goods. Substitute good is product or service that can replace, for example, Domino's and Pizza Hut, while complement goods is product or services that use together with product, for example, car and petrol.
Consumer behavior. A. Apply the concept of elasticity of demand to assess the price sensitivity of consumer towards product on this company. We use the concept price elasticity of demand. We got 7.605141887. The degree of responsiveness in price elasticity of demand is elastic because the change in the price of TM service causes a big percentage change in the quantity demand of TM subscriber. B. Discuss how changes in consumer preference and technological advancement impact the company product offering and pricing strategies. First, product offering. Consumer preference. If consumers increasingly prefer faster internet speeds or more reliable connections, TM Malaysia may need to upgrade its technology and offer high-speed broadband plans or improve service reliability. Next, technological advancement. New technologies such as fiber optics or 5G can enable TM Malaysia to offer new service like ultra-fast internet or bundle services that include streaming platforms or smart home devices. The second is pricing strategies. First, consumer preference. If consumers value affordability, TM Malaysia might introduce more competitive pricing for basic plans or discount for bundle service that align with consumer demands. Next, technological advancements. Investment in new technologies may initially be costly, influencing TM Malaysia pricing strategies to recover the cost over time. Alternatively, cost efficiencies from technological advancements could lead to lower prices for consumers.
3.0 Government intervention. Okay, for the first question is A. Evaluate the potential impact of government regulation, such as an increase in sales and service tax on this company. For my company is Telecom Malaysia, and considering both positive and negative externalities. Before I start answer the question, let me give some fun fact about the question that I want to answer. Okay, the increase in sales and service tax SST from 6% to 8% are announced in the 2024 budget by the Malaysian government. So this will impact Telecom Malaysia. Here are some positive and negative implications that I will provide. Let's start with positive implication. The first point is government revenue. The SST increase is expected to generate additional revenue of around RM3 billion ringgit. So when the government increase the tax, they will get revenue. But the revenue they will use to invest in infrastructure. So that is the second point. Infrastructure investment, new technologies such as fiber optic or 5G can enable TM Malaysia to offer new service like ultra fast internet or bundle service that include streaming platform or smart home device. So when the government increase the tax, there will be an investment in infrastructure that government provide. So when the government give the money to the TM will upgrade their infrastructure for the country. So for the negative implication, the first point is demand reduction. Customer might reduce their usage of telecommunication service if price rise, potentially affecting Telecom Malaysia revenue. So when there are increase in tax, the data that customer use will increase too. Then that will affecting their usage of internet. The customer need to control their data usage so they can be more saving. So that will make Telecom Malaysia revenue go to decrease. And for the second implication is competition. With higher price, customer may switch to alternative provider such as Celcom, Digi, U-Mobile and Maxis. This will reducing Telecom Malaysia market share. So when the telecom increase their price, maybe Celcom, Digi or other telecommunication provider give a cheaper price than Telecom. So that will make Telecom Malaysia market share go to the reducing. For the question B is, discuss the company response strategies to potential regulatory change in their implication for market competitiveness. As we all know, leading telecommunication company, Telecom Malaysia must contend with a constantly changing regulatory environment as new law and rules are passed by government in order to improve its competitiveness in the market and adapt to future lawmaking changes. Telecom Malaysia has been proactive in putting measures into place. Here are Telecom Malaysia response strategy. For the first one is ESG initiative. TM has taken a holistic approach by implementing environmental, social and governance ESG. So this include reducing emission, providing financial aid for education, optimizing resource and follow to high regulatory standard. And for the second is financial performance. TM achieved steady performance in the first quarter of 2023. Operating revenue grew by 2% to RM2.95 billion ringgit, driven by Unify and TM Global. And the last one is digital transformation. TM's aim to power a digital nation by delivering customer experience, solution and connectivity excellence. So what TM do is, their core execution engine, the employee or warga TM, play a crucial role in driving a more digital Malaysia.
Section A, the first concept production that influence TM product is labor, because labor productivity, training and motivation impact the quality and efficiency of TM services. Because TM skilled workforce plays a crucial role in delivering service, maintaining networks and providing customer support. Next is capital. TM heavily relies on capital like investment in infrastructure, technology and equipment. As example, investment in fiber optic networks, data centers and communication tower enhance TM product. Third one is technology. Customers TM product and quality innovation depend on technology advancements. We can see like upgrading to 5Gs and implementing cloud solutions. The last one is organization and management. Effective management, strategic planning and organizational structure influence TM's product. When organization and management is good, Then decision making, resource allocation and coordination impact service delivery will be smooth. So for question B, ways telecommunication can improve is outsourcing and partnerships. Means got a alliance and had strategic partnerships to share resources, expertise, innovation and technology providers. Main objective is to working together. By working together, they can speed up the development of new technologies and allow for cost sharing. The second one is employee training and skill development. TM should invest in training programs to enhance employee skill and productivity because a skilled workforce can handle tasks efficiently. Then, they can leading to cost savings. The last one is technological upgrades. Like example, using automation and artificial intelligence (AI). So, when TMs upgrade their technology, they can improve decision making, decrease human error and streamline operations.
Okay, we go to market strategy. We go to first question. Question A. Propose a strategic plan for this company to enhance its market position and regain consumer trust in its brand. Alright, we go to first, enhance market position. The strategic plan is firstly, Telecommunications (TM) must increase network infrastructure investments such as upgrading and expanding broadband and mobile network, and then focus on 5G deployment for faster and more reliable connection. Secondly, collaborate with other company like partnership with ZTE Malaysia to develop next generation tech-toll hybrid cloud 5G core network. Next, we go to regain consumer trust. Regain customer trust which focus on open communication and address issue promptly and commit to resolving them. Secondly, be transparent about pricing and strengthen customer service. Okay, we go to next question. It's question B. Evaluate the effective of your proposal. Strategic in address the company current challenge and sustain long-term growth. First, we go to first answer. Why this strategy is good to sustain long-term growth? This strategy is good because it's follow the demand from user and according to the time and progress. Secondly, it can increase customer trust in this company. Okay, we go to second answer. Why this strategy is good to current challenge? This strategy is good because it is not update and always make an improvement to more better other than company. Secondly, because they have a partnership with a big company and it can help improve their business and service like a give a technology and mission.